Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Java program using JDBC with a database. Also, I'm going to show you how you can insert record to your table. So step-by-step tutorial I'm going to show you for inserting record to your table. I'm going to use MySQL server as my database and I will be using Eclipse. So guys, if you have not installed Eclipse and MySQL, I have given link in description box or you can click on I button. Also, you require MySQL connector if you want to connect your Java program with database. MySQL connector is required. So these are the prerequisite which you should have on your system before starting this tutorial. So please install Eclipse ID, MySQL, MySQL connector. And also if you are creating UI based project, then you require window builder. So 4 things are required. All the link has been given in description box. You can certainly go and watch that video. So guys, let's begin with the video. So here guys, I'm just starting my MySQL and here I've just entered password. You can see MySQL has been connected to the server. I'm using MySQL command line. You can use MySQL workbench also. And then here, first of all, I will be creating a database by using this command, create database CS corner semicolon. So CS corner is my database name. If you want to give some other name, you can give. And now then here you can see I'm just writing show databases command just to show you that the database is created successfully. So here I have other database, in that there is CS corner also. So now let's change the database from the default to CS corner. So for that my next command is going to be use space CS corner. So guys, now this will change my database. So how I follow, like first I create my databases table and then I go to Java program for creating UI and coding and then connecting to database. So now database setup is done and we will be creating table inside it. So here I'm writing create table students. So I'm creating a simple table students with 3 column, roll number which is of type integer. Another column I'm taking name which is of type varchar. I'm giving size as 30. You can give other size also. And third column I'm taking email which is again varchar 30. You can give roll number as primary key also. That is also okay, no problem. So guys, depending on your requirement, you can create databases and table. I'm showing you a simple setup with this student table. Now let me quickly describe this table just to show you the columns in my table. Now I will be selecting data from this table, select star from student, but as you know we have not inserted any record, so it is going to show me empty set. So simply guys, I'm just writing this command and here I'm getting empty set. Okay, so database and table creation is done. So MySQL part is done. Now we will be switching to what? Eclipse. Okay, so there we will be creating a UI. You can create normal console based application also. If you want me to create project related to console based application, you can comment in comment box. I will surely do that. So guys, now I'm just starting my Eclipse ID here. Launch button I'm clicking and now my ID has been started. To create a new project, we will go to file menu and we will select this option new project. Okay, now here you need to provide certain details. You can provide project name, whatever name you want to give, you can just put over here. And then here is the location. So I'm just taking default location. And here we are taking project specific JRE and I'm just unchecking module info. So this is what you have to do while creating a project and just click on this finish button. So at left side you can see my project is created. I'm just going to expand this and under source folder you can see nothing is there. So I want to create GUI based project, so I'm going to create a frame. So here I have an option visual classes. So this option you will be getting in Eclipse if you have installed window builder in it. So if there is no window builder, you can't create GUI based application in Eclipse. So certainly you can install it by seeing the video. The link is in description box or you can click on I button. So here I'm just selecting this option and here swing and JFrame. Now you need to provide frame name. So whatever frame name you want to give, you can give, that is up to you. And then provide a package name. So here in frame name I'm giving students frame, and package I'm giving CS corner. And then guys, just click on this finish button, and guys, here you can see my frame is created. I have a two option, design and source. So I'm just going to this design part, and now here you can see the frame is there. Let's quickly take three text boxes, three label and two buttons. One is for reset, another is for insert. So I'm just clicking on this panel, selecting this panel. So just clicking on the center part, and I'm changing the layout so that I can freely move my controls on it. So let me quickly take text boxes, label and button. Okay, so now I'm just changing caption of this text box to enter name. I hope you know swing based programming. So nothing much required over here. You need to simply go to text option or properties of this label and change whatever you want. So I'm writing enter roll number, enter name and email. Okay, and then I'm changing caption of this button. So the first button I'm taking btn insert is the label name. So the first button caption I'm giving as insert, and I'm changing name of this button as btn insert. Why I'm changing name? Because I'm going to use this button in coding. So for changing name, you need to just go to this variable option and just change it. And same thing I'm doing for reset button or clear button. So here I'm just giving caption to this button, and I'm changing name of this button. Then now these text boxes I will be using in my coding. So I will change name of this text boxes also. So here just select the first text box, go to variable properties and change the name. First text box name as txt roll number, second text box name as txt name, and third text box name as txt email. Guys, it's not mandatory that you use my whatever name I'm giving, you use the same name. You can give any name, but remember the names because you required that in coding. Okay, so this design is done. I'm going to modify this design little bit because the fonts are very small. So I'm pressing this control button, and with the help of mouse, I'm just selecting all this control, and then I will go to this font property, and I'm just taking option as bold and size around 16 and clicking on OK. So you can see the size is changed. Even I want to change this background color, so you can go select this frame, and you can go to or panel, and you can go to background color and you can change. And I want to change title of the frame, so here I'm just selecting my frame and I'm giving some title. So these are not required, but still if you want to do, you can do. So guys, design is done. Now we will be moving to coding part. So for connecting to MySQL, you require MySQL connector. So I have already downloaded MySQL connector. Simply I'm going to select my project. I'm going to right click, and here I'm going to select option build path. So it has opened this page. Here under library tab, we have module path. Just select it and click on this second button. Now here you need to browse your connected.jar file. So here is my connected.jar file. I'm simply selecting it, and I'm going to click on apply and close. And you can see guys, here a reference library has been added, MySQL connector. So you have to add this if you want to use drivers related to MySQL. Okay, now let's start with the coding part. So first of all, we will be clicking on this reset button. Simple coding first will complete, and then here I'm just doing what? I'm just writing lines txt name dot set text double quotes, txt name, txt email dot set text double quotes. All text boxes we are setting double quotes, that is blank. So when user clicks on this set text, what will happen? The text will be blank. Right? Now the next thing is what? Insert button. So on this insert button, I'm just going to click on this insert button, and you can see the action perform is generated here. And now here I'm going to write what? Database connectivity code. So I'm just starting with a try catch block because whenever you write any JDBC code, it throws an exception. So for that, I'm just writing try catch block, and the first line I'm writing as class.forName for loading the driver. So here class.forName, and then here I'm writing com.mysql.cj.jdbc.driver. This is the name of the driver. If you don't remember the name, you can just go to reference library, expand, you will find this package, and under that there is a driver class. So we have loaded driver for MySQL. Now let's establish connectivity with the database. So here I'm creating object of connection. So connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Now it takes three parameters. The first parameter is what the address or URL of your server. Second parameter is the user ID, and the third parameter is the password. So my user ID is root. Always the default user of MySQL is root, and password is whatever you gave during installation. So in my case, the password I have set as admin. Okay. So second and third parameter, root and admin. Now the first parameter we have to pass as protocol. So here JDBC colon MySQL colon double slash. This is my protocol, and then my server is running on this machine locally. So I'm going to write localhost colon and the port number of MySQL. So the default port number of MySQL is 3306. So I'm simply specifying that, and slash you need to specify your database name. So guys, you have just seen I created one database and the name was CS Corner. I'm simply specifying that database name. Okay, so what this line will do, it will establish connection with your database. So if the connection is established, then we can access our table, right? So now let me create a query. So here I'm just declaring one string variable. String query is equal to, inside double quotes I'm going to write insert command. So insert into students values, and I'm going to open a parenthesis, question mark, comma, question mark, comma, question mark, parenthesis close guys, double quotes close, and semicolon. So what is this? You know this is insert command, but the new thing over here is what this question mark. So these question marks are called parameter placeholder. They will be replaced at runtime with its actual value. So the actual value we will be getting from text boxes. So we need to retrieve the value of text boxes, and we need to replace this question mark with the values of text boxes. Okay. So after creating this query, if you want to execute query on your table, you need object of prepared statement or statement. So here I am creating object of prepared statement ps equal to con dot prepare statement, and guys, in that I'm passing my query. Okay, so it will execute query, but the value will be replaced at runtime. So now the next thing, we need to replace this question mark with its actual value. So for that we are writing ps dot set int. You can use method set triple x depending on your data type. You can just change set int, set float, set double, set string. So I'm just writing set int because my first column is what, roll number. So 1 comma the value of the text box. So from where the value will come, from text box. So now I will simply write lines for extracting the value from text boxes. So here I'm creating one integer variable roll number, and I'm writing integer dot parseInt, and in bracket my text box name and dot get text. So it will retrieve the value from text box. It will convert it into integer type. Now I'm going to retrieve value of name and email text box. So for that I'm creating string name is equal to txt name dot get text semicolon, and next string email is equal to txt email dot get text semicolon. Okay, so text box's value we have retrieved and stored in variable. Now let's replace this question mark with its actual value. So ps dot set int 1 comma roll number. So the first question mark will be replaced by the value which is there in the text box at runtime, and that value is there in roll number variable. Now let's replace second question mark. So ps dot set string 2 comma name variable, and then ps dot set string 3 comma email variable. And the very important line is what? Execute update. So ps dot execute update. Okay, so this is done. Now we will display message in message box, so by using J option pane. So guys, if you are getting red mark near connection, driver manager, prepared statement, so what you need to do, you need to import the packages for that. So you can just take your mouse cursor near that line and you will get option for importing. So import everything from java.sql. Okay, so J option pane dot show message dialog, and the first parameter is btn insert, because this message box will be displayed for this particular button. So that is context. And the second value I'm passing message whatever I want to print. So I'm just printing record inserted successfully. Okay, one more thing guys, this method execute update method is used whenever you are inserting, updating or deleting data. So you know what it returns? It returns value of type integer that indicates how many rows has been affected by that particular query. Okay, so I'm creating one integer variable int result equal to, okay, in that I'm just storing this value. So once the query is executed, it may return 1, 2, 1 record inserted, 2 record. So in my J option pane, I'm going to print result plus record inserted successfully. So 1 record inserted, 2 record inserted successfully. So guys, now the last part is what? We need to close the prepared statement and con object. So here I'm writing ps.close and con.close. So guys, coding part is done. Now we need to run the program. Before that, I'll take you to my MySQL and just showing that I don't have any record inserted in my table. And then I'm running my program, and here you can see my output. I'm having text boxes and buttons, simply providing some input to this text boxes. So roll number, name and email, and I'm hitting on this insert button, and guys, you can see I'm getting one record inserted successfully. Okay, now let me take you to MySQL to verify whether it has been actually added or not. And here I'm writing select star from student, and guys, you can see the record is actually inserted to my table. You can try with other record also. Let me insert one more record. So I'm just providing some input on this text boxes, clicking on insert button, and again coming back to my MySQL, and here you can see I'm getting the data again. And if you click on this reset button, the text box will be cleared or reset. So guys, this way you can connect your Java program to your MySQL database and you can insert your record. So guys, I have tried to show all the steps in my video. If any of the part of the video is not understood by you, you can comment guys, or you can send me on my IG also. But before that, you need to follow my IG. And guys, I have my social media, all social media handler I have given in description box. Certainly you can join that. And if my video has really helped you, don't forget to hit on like button and share my video with your friend. I'm having my other channel, Code with Sunita, in Hindi. There I create videos in Hindi, coding related. If you are interested, certainly you can subscribe to that channel. And my website also, I have given link of website in description box. You can visit, lots of stuff is available on that. And guys, very important for me is your subscription. If you're new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.